hello everyone. Hello, hello. Today magluluto tayo ng they call Keptedes, Greek words and Greek food. Ito ay less than 1 kilo ground beef. Ang ingredients ay ito, isang itlog, 1 egg, 2 onion. Instead of bread, maglagay na lang ako ng Quaker oats. Kasi more healthy the Quaker oats than the bread, the white bread. Masyadong maano yun, masyadong salt. Ito naman, as usual, alam na natin to, salt and black pepper. Ayan. So, gagawin na natin ang procedure. Onion ang ilalagay natin dito. Yan, maglalagay tayo ng 1 cup. Kasama dyan. Oops. Yan. So, salt. And black pepper. Maglalagay naman tayo ng fresh mint. Ito ay fresh mint and dry mint. Use mo. Ayan. Kasi maganda ito nakatumbas. Okay. And then oil. Maglalagay naman tayo ng oil. Maglalagay na tayo ng Quaker oats. Okay. Naglagay na siguro 5 ano to? 3 4 5. Ayan. Mekos natin. Titignan natin kung enough ba yung yung Quaker oats or need more Quaker oats. Ayan. Ayan, dahil magdadagdag tayo ng Quaker oats. Ayan. I think it's enough. So, dahil nga gustong-gusto ko ng turmeric powder, maglalagay din ako ng konting turmeric powder. Masarap din yan. At mekos natin. At i-rest lang natin ito ng, let's say, 1 hour. Okay, magre-rest ito ng 1 hour. Ayan, ito na. Magpipirit tayo ng meatball. Ayan, ito na guys, ito. At in the same time, nagpipirito din ako ng patatas, french fries. Ayan. Ayan, ready na. Ayan. Ala, tagari. Ayan, that's it. Meatballs with patata. And salad. Cabbage, carrots. This is our lunch. Okay, bye-bye and mega love shout out everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.